Hola mis queridos estudiantes. I'm Mark and bienvenidos a the 100-Day Spanish Challenge. This is day 22 of the challenge. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. As well, if you like the content, please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel. Now I'm going to start with the Spanish word first. Masculine and feminine, broken down into syllables. Now I'm going to start with the Spanish word first, masculine and feminine, followed by... Now I'm going to start with the Spanish word first, masculine and feminine, at a normal pace. Then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences in English and in Spanish. Let's get started. Number 211. Número 211. Llevar. Yeh-vahr. Llevar. To carry, wear, or contain. My husband will carry the grocery bags. Well, not my husband, but anyways. Mi marido llevará las bolsas de la compra. Number 212. Número 212. Llover. Yo-vehr. Llover. To rain. If it rains, we're going to have to buy an umbrella. Si llueve, vamos a tener que comprar un paraguas. Number 213. Número 213. Lluvia. 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 Rain. The rain falling on the roof woke me up. La lluvia cayendo sobre el techo me despertó. Number 214. Número 214. Ingeniero. Ingeniera. En-hen-ee-eh-roh. Ingeniero. Engineer. Chuck is an engineer, but he isn't practicing. Chuck es un ingeniero, pero no ejerce. Number 215. Número 215. Inglés. 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 English. Everybody could speak English, so we did not need an interpreter. Todos hablaban inglés, así que no necesitamos el intérprete. Number 216. Número 216. Ingrediente. 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 Ingredient. What ingredients do I need for the dough? Flour, water, yeast, and salt. ¿Qué ingredientes necesito para la masa? Harina, agua, levadura y sal. Number 217. Número 217. Insomnio. 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 Insomnia. I'd better not drink coffee now. It's too late and it'll give me insomnia. Mejor no tomo café ahora. Ya es muy tarde y me producirá insomnio. Number 218. Número 218. Instrucción. 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 Instruction or education. The only way to learn how to use the new device is by reading the instructions. La única manera de aprender a utilizar el nuevo aparato es leerse las instrucciones. Number 219. Número 219. Inteligente. 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 Intelligent. It is said that dolphins are the most intelligent animals. Se dice que los delfines son los animales más inteligentes. Number 220. Número 220. Interior. Ropa interior. Interior. Interior or underwear. The interior walls are decorated with mosaics. Las paredes interiores están decoradas con mosaicos. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.